So, you want to get certified in cybersecurity? I will help you every step of the way. Welcome back! We've now covered the core steps of conducting a risk assessment. In this 8th video, we're going to explore how established frameworks can provide valuable structure and guidance to your risk assessment process, ensuring you're following recognized best practices and potentially meeting compliance requirements. Utilizing a risk assessment framework offers numerous benefits. It provides a structured approach, ensures consistency across your assessments, incorporates industry best practices, can aid in meeting compliance requirements, and ultimately enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of your risk management efforts. ISO 27005 is an international standard that provides guidelines for information security risk management. It outlines a comprehensive process for identifying, analyzing, evaluating, treating, accepting, communicating, and monitoring information security risks. The ISO 27005 framework emphasizes a cyclical approach, covering all stages of risk management, from initial identification through ongoing monitoring and review. It provides a flexible framework that can be adapted to various organizational contexts. NIST Special Publication 800-30 provides a guide for conducting risk assessments within the U.S. federal government, but its principles and methodologies are widely applicable to organizations of all types. It offers a detailed, step-by-step approach to the risk assessment process. NIST SP 800-30 focuses on a life cycle approach that includes preparing for the assessment, conducting the assessment, communicating the results, and maintaining the assessment over time. It also emphasizes the importance of establishing a clear risk model. Beyond ISO 27005 and NIST SP 800-30, other valuable frameworks and resources exist. These include COSO for enterprise risk management, FAIR for quantifying information risk, as well as various industry-specific frameworks and general best practice guides. Selecting the most appropriate framework depends on several factors, including your organization's specific requirements, your industry, any applicable compliance obligations, your current security maturity level, and the need for scalability as you grow. And with that, our discussion on frameworks comes to a close. Next, it is time to do a real-world risk assessment. You won't want to miss it. For more valuable content, come visit our website, securetechacademy.com. Sign up for our newsletter and explore our premium courses on Udemy, designed with you in mind, using the latest technology to be more engaging at a lower price. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.